Yes, sir?
Is there a difference between enlightenment and absolute truth?
Oh, yeah, sure. Absolute truth, what's absolutely true. Enlightenment is always about what's absolutely true in some sense. But when you have an enlightenment experience or something, all you're doing is getting a glimpse of what's absolutely true. And it is absolutely true. That's just a way of speaking about it. See, but that's your consciousness. Enlightenment is about your consciousness. And so when you're conscious, what you're conscious of is not necessarily what's absolutely true. There is what's true. You can become conscious of what's true. But that's your consciousness of what's true. And it's the same as what's true. But you're not necessarily conscious of everything that's true, or all that's true, or completely true. It's a weird thing. And if you are, then we say, yes, you're enlightened, you're completely, conscious. But most of the time, it's above enlightenment experience, then another enlightenment experience, another enlightenment experience, and have glimpses. And then over time, they become more conscious of what's really true. See? So we can't say that an enlightenment experience kind of thing is the same as absolute truth. I can't say that. Yeah?
So like the enlightenment experience is as if a glimpse of what is absolutely true, or a becoming conscious of something absolutely true, but it's not the whole story. And then are you calling in this question, distinction, absolute truth, everything? Is the absolute referring to all of it?
Yeah. What's ever absolutely true,
So absolutely, so not like being conscious of an absolute, like say I become conscious of something absolute. It is absolute, yet not the whole story.
Yeah.
So the difference is that the enlightenment is like the glimpsing, so to speak, and what's absolutely true is everything.
Yeah, and we live life in distinctions.
Yes.
That's what life is. And so when you grasp that this aspect of existence is the nature of this aspect of existence, you don't become conscious of that aspect of existence necessarily, usually. It's like you grasp what you are, you don't necessarily grasp what another is at all. Or what life is, or what existence is, or what an object is, or what death is. You don't grasp these things. And then when you grasp all those things, you find, is there anything left over? And you'll say, yeah. Okay, well, what's that? So it says, got our work cut out. Okay. So if there's something more to grasp, if we could say this objectively, and it's difficult. And once again, an enlightenment experience is not an experience, so it's stupid to call it an experience, but it's consciousness. See, and it's very difficult, even when people have such consciousness, they still don't know the difference most of the time between their mind and what they became conscious of. People live in their mind, and you fall into traps.
Hi, I'm Brendan Lee, and I've been studying with Peter Ralston for 20 years. I really want you to know that no matter how many videos you watch or books you read, it pales in comparison to the power of the live workshops that we host here at the center or on Zoom. If you want to get serious and do work that makes a real difference, please check the links in the description to learn more. Thank you.